What's going on, everybody? Next up in our grilled cheese series, pepperoni grilled cheese. Let's get started. All right, friends, as we get this one started, I'm using that thicker Texas toast style again today. I got the butter wheel going here off to the side, a little bit of melted butter inside. So I'm going to actually just go ahead and just put melted butter on one side of each of this bread first, because I'm going to lightly toast what would be the inside. I love doing that with my sandwiches. Get that just a lightly toast on there. That'll take just a moment, and we'll come back and I'll show you what we're going to do with the other sides of that pieces of bread. All right, let's take a look. Nice light toast on that. So I'm going to pull it off, put it on a small cutting board off to the side here. That one's got a little nice light toast to it as well. All right, so next what we're going to do is I'm going to come back to that butter wheel for the other side of that bread. Get a little bit of that melted butter on there. Put them on my cutting board though, because I'm going to use this as a little trick here first before I just slap it on that Blackstone. All right, so what we're going to do here is we've got those pieces of bread with that butter. I'm going to take a little bit of grated Parmesan cheese, and we're going to sprinkle some of that on that. Hopefully that butter will absorb some of that, and we're going to hit it with just a little light coating of Italian seasoning as well. You could also just go with maybe parsley if you wanted to. All right, so, and then I'm gonna make sure I get everything ready to roll here. For today, I'm using some fresh sliced, bigger pieces of pepperoni from my store, as well as a mozzarella cheese. So, we're just gonna make ourselves ready to go here, ready to build this pretty quickly. Turn that heat down just a little bit. All right, we'll start with, let that melt. Slice that slice of that mozzarella. We're gonna hit it with a few slices of the pepperoni. All right, I'm gonna hit the inside with a little more of that Italian seasoning. We'll come back with a little bit of that Parmesan as well. And then another slice of that mozzarella. We'll lay that on top. Turn that heat down. Let it get toasted on one side. I'm going to cover it for a moment as well. As those cheese start to melt, we'll come back and flip it in just a second. All right, we're going to go ahead and cautiously flip that over and let that other side get nice and toasted. Okay, as we lift that lid, we're going to start to see those cheeses starting to melt. That means it's time to take this off of that Blackstone. We'll turn that heat off. All right. We'll take our pepperoni grilled cheese, go to our cutting board, and we're going to slice it in half and take a look here. All right, friends, let's slice it. Open it up. And there we go, my friends. That is our pepperoni grilled cheese. And I've got myself a little bit of pizza dipping sauce as well. Let's give it a taste test. All right, friends, there is our pepperoni grilled cheese, a little dipping pizza sauce here. Let's go in for that taste test. Absolutely delicious. Icing on this cake is just really using that Italian seasoning like we did, and then a little bit of that Parmesan. Absolutely amazing. You could even put maybe rub a little garlic on there if you wanted to. And having that pizza sauce as a dipping sauce, you cannot go wrong. Thanks for watching this episode in our grilled cheese series. We'll see you guys again on Bones and Brews.